morning, guys. It's January 1, 2026, and I've decided to do a vlog, monthly vlog. Like this one is for January, obviously. Pero sana mapanindigan ko. Gising ko lang pala. I stayed here at Tapas Place. I celebrated New Year here. And I just finished attending the mass online. I'm with the dogs. And I'll prepare breakfast na. So excuse my look. Because I just woke up. Say hi, guys. This is Puto. And this is Pao. And together, they're Puto Pao. I love Father or Boss, guys.
Maraming salamat po. Take care. Salamat Father Jerome. God bless us.
Wow, it's so dark, guys. Come here, Pao. Yay! Happy New Year!
Day to you. May tugtog ka. Saan ulit? Bless mga happy birthday, Mark.
Iyong pagsilang.
Isa pa, isa pa. Layo. Layo malalaki.
I just got home. Nag-lunch lang kami ni Papa ng sabay. Inantay ko siya. Then, bumalik na rin siya sa work. As of now, matutulog na muna ako. Kasi grabe yung antok ko. Feeling ko kailangan ko ng 3 araw para makarecover. And I have an event pa later. That's around 7 p.m. And it's already 2 p.m. May time pa naman para makapag-rest. Kahit pa paano. Bye! Napakaraming options. Like, look. What the almond? Guys, I think ito yung glass na kailangan ko for my matcha. This is so big. Like, it's bigger than my face. Look. Para na siyang aquarium. Ito na nga, diba? Oh, ayan. Guys, bumili siya ng mga bagay na hindi niya naman kailangan. What do you call this, guys? It's retail. It's retail therapy. Oh my gosh. I'm waiting for my Uber, by the way. Yun. Oh my gosh. Hi guys, I just finished doing the laundry. Look, this is my 1 week, I guess, or 2 weeks. Basta, kakatapos ko lang maglaba, and supposedly, bukas pa dapat ako maglalaba kasi Friday and day off ko. Pero I have plans tomorrow, and natapos ko rin naman siya around 9 p.m. At syempre, naglilinis ako ng kwarto, hindi mawawala yung mga finds ko, kaya natatagalan ako lalo. Also, Papa sent me a food. It's Jollibee. So, I can have some snacks or late dinner. Though nag-dinner na ako, ang sarap ng tuyo and scrambled egg na sinabawan ng kape. As in, na-miss ko yun. Kasi I have this Pinay friend na umuwi ng Pinas. Tapos, bumalik siya rito and meron siyang dalang tuyo. So, binigyan niya ako. So, yeah, I'll continue cleaning my room. Hi guys, good morning. It's Friday, January 9. And it's already 9:30 a.m. Magbe-breakfast kami ngayon ni Papa sa IKEA around 10 a.m. So, first, I'm gonna do a fit check. I am wearing this dress. Like, nagulat ako, super fit niya pala. Ngayon ko lang kasi siya sinuot. And never ko siyang sinukat before. Suits me very well. And also, I'm wearing my Zara ballerina shoes. Yeah. I think this is a good investment kasi ang ganda niya. Bagay siya sa kahit na anong fit ko. Of course, my bag. Inukay ko lang din to, guys. From Haraj also. And yeah, this is perfect for my fit. Look. And my shades. Perfect. Okay.
Talagang tinatagal na nila ako.
Say hi. Napipilitan siya, guys. This is their country breakfast. Extra egg, soup, extra bacon, extra sausage, extra fodder. Hi guys, so close pa yung mismo IKEA store and yung resto pa lang yung open. Mag-open sila by 2 p.m. because it's Friday. And now Friday, of course, it's weekend here. So, palipas lang kami ng oras here. And I'm taking photos lang. Dito sa mirror nila. Diba? Why niyo naman ginawagan si Mona Lisa, guys?
Kuya, come.
Hi guys! Hindi siya naka-formal attire today. Why? Because it's Saturday. My happiness. Grabe, na-miss ko kalabasa. Puro mga Pinoy foods. This is our lunch. Sarap. Plus the extra food. Hi guys, good morning. It's Friday again and I forgot to take a video kasi gutom na ako. I was supposed to go out today but yeah, super lamig and tinamad na rin ako. By the way, I cooked some egg with milk and pepper, banana with honey. I used this honey, some waffle. I used this Belgian waffle chocolate. Masarap kapag ininit mo muna siya, and milk with ice. And I am also binge watching this, The Walking Dead. Madadapa pa si bakla. Hi guys, we're here now at the Steakhouse Granada Mall. Wow! Guys, late brunch daw to. Alam niyo ba kung anong oras na? Oh, 5:30 na. Late brunch pa ba yan?
Thank you.
Okay lang po.
Thank you.
Looking for Tabasco. I'm so magulong here. And next, we're gonna, ayoko ng mango dressing. It's not my vibe. Next is
Kaya
the
kasi ano siya, puree.
puree.
Kung ano yung pang
Thousand
West.
Island.
Philippines.
I'm not Western. I'm Bebot from the
Hindi yan
Philippines.
sikat sa Asia.
Mm. Ito, ano,
Thousand.
for everyone.
Thousand talaga.
Hindi, ranch dressing gusto ko. Wow, kinuha. Wow, kukunin niya talaga yung egg. Hindi siya kukuha ng gulay. Mm. So, mag-try ka kaya ng gulay. So, ranch dressing. Ah. So, vanilla flavor. Ayan naman yung flavor siya. Vanilla.
Ano, hindi siya mo.
Nasa. Yan kasi. Ah.
Go. Hindi mo mapakita mo sa akin.
Baba, mapapagalitan na tayo.
Ano?
Ayusin mo nga kasi.
Ulit ko ba yun?
At the pasta choy. Tama yung phone ko. Okay guys, this is one of my favorite things to do. Yung pag-prepare ko ng mga meals ko for the whole week. Medyo sumasablay ako dito. Pero ngayon, okay, nagkaroon ulit ako ng energy. Kaya hello, I have this macaroni soup. Adobo, niluto ko to kanina. And ito yung take-out lang namin sa La Paz Batchoy. And ita-transfer ko to sa mas okay na container. So, yun lang. And I have this veggies rin. Tinake out ko rin to kanina. Kaya, I'm so happy kasi hindi na ako masyadong nag-fast food or I don't know. Yun lang.